richer every year because every medicine we are taking, every product we are using through patent, they get amount from us. So that's why it is the largest economy. Most of the innovation, most of the research, most of the patent US have. Now China is following to US and definitely we are also in the race. So if we want to achieve that goal, definitely we have to spend huge amount in R&D, research and development. And government has also policy, that is the Ministry of Education. They have an innovation cell. So through that innovation cell, every institute, they constitute an institution innovation council. Through that council, we perform various activity. Next slide. And as you all know that 20% of the world generic medicine India is supplying, mainly African continent and lots of area. Our medicines are reaching there because we are producing a high quality medicine with cheap price. That is the advantage of India. And if you go to US, medicines are very expensive. If you just want to buy a ciprofloxacin eye drop, it costs in India 10 to 15 rupees. It may cost $10 in the US. So that is the difference. Now, this is the portal, government portal, where Institution Innovation Council, our college Institution Innovation Council. So members are President Mahendra Singh Asawat sir, then ARIA, NIIF, and coordinator, it's myself. Then convener is our principal sir, Dr. Mahendra Singh Asawat sir. Innovation activity coordinator is Professor Vinay Pandit sir. So another activity member, internship activity coordinator, CPS Verma sir. IPR activity coordinator, Professor Aditi Kaushik madam. Startup activity coordinator, Praveen Kumar sir. And member of IIC, Sri Kumar sir. And social media in charge, Devraj sir. These are the faculty members of our IIC. Next. So beside that we have a student member. So they all are passed out M.Pharm batch. Now after September, new quarterly activity will start. Then we will remove those students and we will include new students from M.Pharm third semester, from pharmacology, statistics and analysis department. Now all seniors are here and two experts, external expert from the industry. One is a Kunal Goyal sir and another is a Vikas Asawat sir. So it is a IPR activity coordinator. Through him, we have already filed 8 to 9 design patents and process patents. So this is our status in current scenario. So last year we have conducted around 30 to 40 different activities. Through that, they have provided us the rating. So we have a 2-star rating in IIC. So it is one type of achievement for us. This is the appreciation letter provided by IIC. Next. So regarding the research ecosystem of our institute, what kind of research we are conducting, mainly by our postgraduate M.Pharm students. So mainly we have good facility. One of our last year achievement is DST, Department of Science and Technology project research. We got the 85 lakh grants from DST FIST. So in that we have purchased SPTLC instrument, spray dryer, lyophilizer, high speed stirrer, Magnus microscope and rotary evaporator. So these are the project that we have applied in different research grants like ICMR 4.68 crore, then ICSSR 3 crore, ICSSR 3 crore and BIRAC 436.98 lakh. This is under review. So we have applied for the grant in the granting agencies. So this is also one of the
दिल में है देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself Abhishek Kumar from M Pharmacy third semester from the Department of Pharmaceutical Analysis. On this proud occasion of India's 79th Independence Day, I stand before you with the theme which perfectly reflects the spirit of Azadi Ka Amrit Kaal, innovators as nation builders, with special emphasis on Ayurveda meets AI. Our freedom in 1947 was not just about political independence, but it was about empowering India to innovate, to create and to cure the wisdom and innovations for her people in which way the world admires. And today, as we blend our ancient wisdom with cutting edge technologies, we are shaping our nation with new innovations and deeply Indian and globally relevant themes. Innovators as nation builders when Ayurveda meets AI. First we talk about Ayurveda. It is If we talk about Ayurveda, it is India's timeless treasure of holistic healing. It is the ancient medicine system of India. It has nurtured India before 5,000 years ago. And if we talk about AI, that is artificial intelligence, it is the power of modern innovation and precision. It is revolutionizing our healthcare system that we could not even imagine or which is beyond our imagination. If we combine Ayurveda and AI, the fusion not only creates medicines, it will create personalized, preventive and precise healthcare. The fusion of Ayurveda and AI is a symbol of Azadi Ka Amrit Kaal and honoring roots, embracing progress, driving a healthier, smarter and self-reliant India. Next, please. India's 79th Independence Day, a freedom to innovate. Post 1947, after independence, post 1947, India faced a choice in which either India have to import the things from foreign countries or have to build its own scientific strength. We chose the harder path, and from importing medicines become a global health leader today. Ayurveda, which has been once sidelined, now was revived with new modern scientific validation. From Charaka, we all know that Ayurveda have two texts, that is Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita. So from Charak to right.
Dear friends and all present here, on this occasion of India's Independence Day, I feel honored to present my topic, that is pharmacy innovators as nation builders healing Indian in public independence. Today I will take you through how pharmacy innovators are not only improving health but also building nation's future and strong. Let's begin our journey of understanding how innovation in pharmacy is healing India. Independence and innovation. As India celebrates its 79th independence, we not only honor the sacrifice that won us for our freedom but also recognize the innovators and change makers who have built the nation in decades. One of the strongest pillars of post-independence development that has been innovation, not just in technology and infrastructure, but in healthcare and pharmacy. Innovation is the engine of true independence. It is a nation that can care of the health of its people. It's a nation that stands strong, self-reliant and free. True independence is the ability to treat and help our own. Pharmacy, a pillar of national building. Since independence, India's growth story has not just been about infrastructure, industry, or defense. It has also been about healthcare, and at the core of its transformation lies pharmacy. Access to affordable, safe, and effective medicines in one of the greatest form of freedom, freedom from disease, freedom from defense of importers, and health-related poverty. In the 1950s, India pharmaceutical industry was also non-existent. Today, we are known as the pharmacy of the world, supplying over 50% of global vaccines demand and 20% of generic medicines globally. Why pharmacy matters for national? Combating public health challenges. From TB and malaria to cancer and diabetes, Indian pharma has played a vital role. Healthcare equation. Affordable drug means even rural and economical weaker section of society can access treatment. Global health leadership. Indian pharma companies are crucial partners in global health mission and humanitarian efforts. A healthy nation is a strong nation and pharmacy is its silent backbone. India as the pharmacy of the world. India has earned global recognition as the pharmacy of the world, a title that reflects not only its massive pharmaceutical production capacity but also its commitment to affordable healthcare for all. From manufacturing high-quality generic medicine to supplying vaccines to over 150 countries, India has become a life-saving hub for global healthcare. COVID